as the Mountaineers win the draw. Candy plays that across and sent all the way down to Josh Wu, the goaltender. Wu put on a spectacular performance yesterday when BWC took on the host Ulysse Academy. As here's O'Brien. O'Brien off to the right side as Zephyr Harms takes a hit. O'Brien right to the net, but he's closed off by Candy. And the captain will send that all the way down the ice. Back forward is Jayan Machala. 1:20 left in this power play. Machala through center slowly. He'll gain the zone. Machala back to the point, finds Justin Moon. Moon tries to put it on, and that one was blocked by Kieran Fadoun. O'Brien centers, Martiniuk to Machala, but good defense there from Ashton McCann as he just gets it out over the line. Martiniuk trying to work back in, but they're 0 for 1 today. Face off back to Papadatos. Lipinski. Papadatos. Down low, across, they score! Jaden O'Brien. The BWC O'Brien gets around Cook, a quick shot there from Martiniuk. Goes over the net. Papadatos shot. Stopped by Bully, they score! Guess who?